and welcome to Oak Interlink's latest YouTube video. If you're new here, we specialize in providing individuals and organizations with cutting-edge corporate training and professional development resources. Let's talk about how to spot bottlenecks in your business operations. If you've ever wondered why your team seems busy but results still lag behind, well, chances are you've got a bottleneck somewhere. Don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to find it, fix it, and keep your business running smoother than ever. Bottlenecks are sneaky productivity killers hiding inside your operations. They are the point where work slows down, gets stuck, or completely stops, and the effect ripple across your whole workflow. Simply put, a bottleneck happens when one part of your process can't keep up with the rest. And here's why that matters. Spotting them early helps you cut delays, reduce costs, and boost efficiency. If you ignore them, the cost can be painful. You could deal with missed deadlines, frustrated teams, unhappy customers, and eventually lost revenue. All right, so how do you know you've got a bottleneck problem? Here are 5 signs to watch out for. First, extended wait times. If projects keep stalling between departments or approvals seem to take forever, that's a red flag. Second, missed deadlines. If your team's working hard but still run late, that's usually a process problem, not a people problem. Third, resource overload. If you've got one person or machine constantly overworked while others sit idle, that's imbalance and a classic bottleneck symptom. Fourth, work backlogs. If tasks pile up at a specific stage, that's where the traffic jam is happening. And finally, quality issues. When people rush to catch up after delays, mistakes follow. So, if quality dips in one area repeatedly, it's time to look upstream. Here's where the fun begins. Mapping your workflow. You can't fix what you can't see, right? Start by writing down every step in your process, even the small ones that seem routine. Next, put them in order. Which tasks depend on which? What happens first? What can happen at the same time? Then choose a tool that works for your team. Maybe a simple flow chart, a swim lane diagram, or digital tools like Lucidchart or Visio. And here's a pro tip. Involve your team. They are the ones doing the work every day. They'll spot the bottlenecks faster than any manager or consultant ever could. Once your process is mapped, it's time to measure how well each stage performs. Data is your best friend here. Track cycles, track the time, how long a task takes to finish from start to finish. Process time, which is the actual time spent working on it, and wait time, which is how long it sits idle before moving forward. Also, keep an eye on the throughput, work in progress, and even rework rate. When your wait time is way longer than the process time, you've most likely found your bottleneck. Compare these numbers with your past performance or industry benchmarks to see where you're falling behind. Now, let's talk about visible clues. Bottlenecks usually leave trails and you just have to look for them. Start with work accumulation points, areas where tasks pile up. That's your first sign something stuck. Then look for underutilized resources. If your team or machines are waiting around for the next task, the blockage is happening earlier in the line. And finally, capacity mismatches. If one stage can handle 100 units an hour, but the next stage can only handle 50, your process is only as fast as its slowest part. This is the theory of constraint in action. Fix the slowest point and watch your system speed up. As I said earlier, your people already know where the bottlenecks are. This is something many managers overlook. Listen to your people. They'll say things like, we spend an hour waiting for approval emails, or the delivery team's always held up by missing paperwork. Those small frustrations are actually big signals. So, host process improvement meetings, set up anonymous suggestion boxes or forms, or just walk around and observe during busy hours. Sometimes, the simplest insight from your team can save you hours of analysis. Now, let's talk about tools. Because technology can make bottleneck detection so much easier. Use analytics dashboard like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com to visualize your workflow. They literally show you where tasks are piling up in real time. Use time tracking tools like Toggle or Avest to see which steps consistently take longer than expected, and look into automation tools like Zapier or Power Automate to eliminate repetitive manual tasks that slow everything down. A small investment in the right tech can save you thousands in lost productivity. So here's your action plan. Step 1, map your processes. Step 2, measure performance. Step 3, identify imbalances. Step 4, gather team input. Step 5, use data tools. And here's a quick challenge for you. This week, find one bottleneck in your process, just one. Don't say you don't have any. Everyone does. Make a plan to fix it, take action, and then measure your results. Even small improvements can have a massive ripple effect across your business. Remember, bottleneck management isn't one-time project. It's an ongoing habit. Keep checking, keep improving, and you build a business that runs smoother, faster, and stronger over time.